Alright guys, I'm about to install the cheapest mod ever. If you guys look, I guess it's very typical that the M3, I don't know what this is called, like the coating, because it also happened on the steering wheel as well, right here. So eventually I'm going to replace this too. But, so before I put on this, I'm going to try to peel off the rest of this. And looking at this, it doesn't look, the carbon pattern is not too obvious. It kind of looks kind of like a forged-ish, but I mean, it was only $5 on Amazon, and I don't want to wait for AliExpress, so I'm gonna try this one. So first I'm gonna try peeling this off, so it should probably stick better. Alright, so now, since it's a little hard for me to do it one-handed, I'm just gonna peel off the back and stick it on. Alright, well, that's a simple install. It fit pretty good. It fits pretty snug in there. You just kind of push it in, and it fits snug. I know they sell a replacement. I was looking into getting the limited edition one, but I believe that was like 100 something bucks, and this is $5. I figured to try this one first, and I mean, looks better than the peeled. I guess, you know, temporary fix, pretty good, pretty worth it. It's not bad. What do you guys think? Let me know. I just wish the carbon pattern was a little bit better.